And welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Let's bowl off with cricket. At least one director has come to the defense of former Cricket West Indies President Dave Cameron following claims of mismanagement in an audit report leaked to cricket website ESPN Cricinfo earlier this week. Cameron, who rubbished the claims, has been backed by current director Calvin Hope of Barbados.
Noted regional cricket commentator Fazir Mohammed earlier this week questioned the role of Cricket West Indies' board of directors following accusations of the Dave Cameron administration mismanaging and failing to deal with long-term sustainability following an audit from PKF. Mohammed argued that if incompetence or corruption is raised against Cameron, the same should go for the directors.
That's what you have directors for, Simon. Because if it is, as Dave Cameron says in his defense, that all of these things were signed off to and approved by the directors, it can't be a situation where it would have been underhanded and secretively done. It might be that the strength of Dave Cameron's personality would have railroaded certain things, but then why do you have a board?
But Calvin Hope, who has been a CWI director since 2017, was shocked by some of the claims published in the report. Concerns were raised about Cameron getting a $50,000 bonus after securing a projected $128 million from the ICC over an 8-year period. But Hope stressed that the Jamaican had the full support of the 17 directors as the board upgraded from a $14 million deal.
And this suggestion was made by a board member, an independent board member, by the way. And the board agreed that they should set up a committee to look at this matter, right? Of giving an honorarium for this work. And section 50.7 of the Articles of Association says that if any director goes beyond the call of duty, that the board, and not necessarily in these words, but allows for the board to make a decision to give the person an honorarium.
Cameron's leadership style has always been questioned, but Hope stopped short of saying the current situation borders on the line of a character assassination.
I don't know. I cannot. I don't know the motivations of people. I can't read that. Mm-hmm. I have my suspicions of certain things because I've seen behavior, certain behavior. I've heard certain comments, but I would not venture to say what my assumption is. You know, I'm not here to judge anybody. I am on that board to act.
Both Hope and Mohammed were speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill earlier this week. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.